getting it back together. I left the backing off the top cabinet. I'm going to have to rebuild that eventually anyway, but I can keep an eye on the foam and the tape and everything, make sure it's sticking and staying. So I've got all the doors done. Again, on the Murphy table, I'm going to put another couple coats of clear on it. And then I got to come over and work on this side, pull all that out and rework those cabinets a little bit, because I'm moving a lot of the vinyl from this side, which is very heavy, over to this side to help with weight distribution. And of course my refrigerator freezer goes in there, but I'm going to put a split level in here. And I think I'm going to put a lot of my tools over here because they're very heavy too. But we'll see. See how it goes. Making progress. I had to repair this one door. I forgot to adjust the router, and so it was cutting too deep and messed up the cross piece here. So I have a new cross piece in. I'll adjust the router, and as you can see on the back side, I've got to do the rabbet in there and put in with the blind screws, of course. Got it all sanded, and of course I use my little Clegg, whatever it is, faux Clegg. I built the whole set of cabinets with this. That was half the price of a Clegg or Craig or whatever it is. Anyway, so I'm getting this one done. I'm working on my drawers. The ones that show are going to be painted black, and the ones in the back are just clear coated. This is what I've taken out of that one side already for weight reduction without affecting the structural strength. All that didn't need in there. Let's see what else. All the doors are ready. I'm ready to go back in as soon as I'm ready to put them back in. I've got one more window foam to cut, and I'm going to get working on that this afternoon to get that section opened up where I can get to it. And hopefully by the end of next week I'll have everything accomplished.